Do you guys see all this? This is all the Wiggles toys. I'm going to be showing you all of them today. Now, it's not my Wiggles toy collection like for like the rest of forever. I'm going to get more Wiggles toys, but this is just the one for like now. I'll tell you where I got every toy from. So, first up, we have the Wiggles purple guitar.
Get ready to wiggle!
It makes that noise when you turn it on. Here are the songs it plays. It plays.
It's a big red car we like to ride.
And
Get ready to wiggle!
for Jeff, it plays In the Big Red Car We Like to Ride. For Greg, it plays Do the Wiggle Groove. Wiggle. Stop it. Vegetable soup for Anthony. Play a guitar with Murray for Murray. Bit by Bit for Henry the Octopus, which doesn't really make sense. Dorothy the dinosaur, tell me that who is that knocking on your door for Dorothy? That's actually been on the 2-2 CD, and I actually have like 3 of those. Well, did have 3. Now I only have 2 because my dad lost one in the car because he couldn't get the CD out, and someone took it away because it didn't work anymore. Anyways, Flap Your Wings Just Like a Birdie, I think it's called, for Captain Featherstone, which doesn't make any more sense than Henry. And then the random buttons here are just like. Wait a second. Wait. What did I miss? With the wags, the do. It plays that for wags. It plays wave to wags. It plays to wags. And the funny thing about this guitar is, like, I thought when you sat it down, see, like, I'm sitting it down on my leg currently. It was supposed to wiggle when you sat it down on something. It wiggles a little bit when you do it, but, like, I figured out it's not when you set it down, it's when you use the whammy bar. See? Look at the guitar wiggle. Makes more noises, but I think it makes more noises. I would guess so. Now, oh, by the way, I got this for my birthday. No, I have the Emma doll, or the plushie, at least. And I got that for my birthday as well. The Locky doll, but people actually, instead of Locky, they pronounce him Latchy or Lackey. And I got this for my birthday as well. All of these 2 Wiggles dolls I got for my birthday. I'll show you. This Wiggles doll I got for my birthday, it's Anthony. And this I also got for my birthday, Simon. And the other 2 I just got from Amazon. Well, my dad bought me from Amazon just for fun. I can't remember if I got this for something else or not. Well, it doesn't play. So it has organ sound. And it plays the exact same thing with piano. It just sounds like trash. Okay, well apparently that note doesn't play. And this, yummy, yummy, doo doo doo. It plays Sweaty Sweaty Wiggle and Yummy Yummy. Oh, and can you point your fingers and do this? That's all it plays. Now this. See, like it plays the notes like when you do that. And the last one I have, I also just bought from Amazon for no reason, is the Greg doll. Hear the noises it makes?
Hi, my name is Greg.
And finally this.
Jagga, jagga, big red car. We'll travel near and we'll travel far. We're gonna ride the whole day long.
And that's going to be it for my Wiggles toy collection. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye! This is the video.